Another video here from the Tokyo Real Estate Man. Today I'm coming to you from Nagoya. We're going to look at this Nagoya market. Before we get there, there's going to be a little commercial. Yes, the commercial right here is going to be our real estate company, which is known as Wita, and we're based out of Yokohama. If this screen ever kicks up, there's a video I just did on that one right here. This is my Meishi right there. And if you can see right there, Gaikokujin no Tanto, Bruce Makala with the Canada Hata. Ii ne, kono aide no Canada de. If you'd ever like to visit us out, that's our company information right there. You can see we're a licensed agency right there. Also, another way of getting hold of us or hold of me is through the Instagram, or the website, Tokyo Real Estate Man website. You hit this contact box, all the contact information will come down here. You can fill it in, or you can give me a straight email. And I'll go back here to the map. Here is the map of Sakae here, which is in central Nagoya, if you've ever been here. Now, I came here to ChatGPT right here, and Sakae is in Naka Ward in Nagoya, and this is the population statistics, okay? Right here, the population trends in Naka Ward. Although the granular annual data for Sakae isn't available, the broader data gives us these insights. The population of Sakae in 2020 is 93,000 residents. And this is the estimates. We can see that it continues to grow right now. It's growing slightly right now. And by 2050, the estimates are that it should maintain its population. It's not like Shibuya. When we come back here briefly to the Shibuya map though, right? This is the central area of Tokyo right now, and it's nothing but $1 million properties right there. So if you're a person that likes this sort of urban lifestyle but doesn't have the Tokyo money anymore, Sakae is a really great alternative. Okay, now we'll come back here to the listing. However, being here in Sakae, given that this is my prognosis with it, it's given that its population is sort of in this sort of maintain level, I think that given these prices, you're better to go more qualitative in terms of what you're looking at. So what we're looking at here is anything on the top floor, anything with an elevator, anything that that indicates ownership. And I've taken all the rental stock here off the map. So Ona change and Chintaichu o Nozoku. None of this stuff that we're looking at here is it's all open to take over. Now, one of the first units I looked at here that I cracked that listing up was this one right here. And this is anything we're looking at here. I've also expanded one more thing. We're looking at units that are over 50 meters. If it's something like Shibuya, the parameter I would set would only be 30 meters. Now, this is the one we're going to get to second. This is one for 2,000 or 2,280 man, roughly $200,000 Canadian. We'll get to that back to a second. This was the cheaper one right here. This is the one for 63, which is right near Nagoya Station. It's a 3 LDK for Isengo Hyakuman, 140,000 Canadian dollars. This is on the 11th floor of 11th floor building, 65 meter unit. This is a deal. It's near damn well with the global real estate market. It's near damn well a steal. Here's our layout right there. You see a nice balcony on a unit as well. 11th floor, 3 sort of bedrooms in it. Okay, we'll go through the pictures quickly right there. It's a dated unit. This building was built, what does it say right here, in 1979, so it's definitely a date. This is totally a dated unit. But look how well everything is maintained. Many of these sort of, I guess this was probably put in, this is definitely not from 1979 right there. This was updated at one point, but they did it on a very minimal level, okay, which is, you can see why they did it on a minimal level, because it's priced minimally. Okay, they didn't although I do like the look of this unit bath again from 1979, but look how well maintained this apartment. That might have been new. That might have been like a new sort of bathroom panel put above here, the tubs. But that looks very attractive to me. I might look into that for my Nakameguro unit. It has everything you want in this building, or this unit that's in this building. Okay, 62 meters, top floor, right near Nagoya Station, right near Sakae station. If you've never been to Sakae, you can watch it. Do a little search for Sakae videos. You'll see that's really this picture explains it very well. You're talking about the center, most urban district here of Nagoya. It's just a really great environment, and it's very similar to Shibuya, but it doesn't have that Shibuya pricing. Okay, anything else we could cover down here quickly? I'm trying to go quick on these videos nowadays. Again, You see the location really here is ultimate. The price is unbelievable, especially given the backdrop of Shibuya or given the backdrop of places here like Vancouver. Ownership, Shoryuken, 5-meter balcony, 62 meters of space, top floor in the building, really easy to rent. Currently vacant. We'll come back here to the other one. I did like this other one better, and this picture really explains it really well. This explains the whole neighborhood here of Sakae right there, which is very similar in terms of its lifestyle to Shibuya in a lot of ways. Okay, we'll get here to the Madore, which is the for this is a 1 LDK with a balcony right there, so it doesn't have the room splits. Although looking at it briefly, it looks like here's a Yoshitsu right here, and there is like it says it's a storage closet right there, but these could be used as bedrooms as well. Okay, we'll go through the pictures here. This is the building right here, again built in that sort of same vintage of I believe this building was built in 1980. I think it was 65 meters, and everything has been updated. So, and updated in not a low sort of level, more of a contemporary 2025 level, as you can see by the color that one right there. There's nothing you need to do to this unit for years and years and years, I would think. There, I said to you here, there's a perfect place that you could stick your bed in there. You'd have a nice dark, a nice dark sleep if you like your sleep. Kitchen's been updated. You can see it's sort of a 2025 standard with that new standard dishwasher right there. Very nice unit. We'll have a look at it if it's south facing or not when we get to the Madore. Everything, the toilet, everything has been updated. Do we have any cardinal directions? Yes, the unit is facing south. This is a great deal. This is a great price. I love it. Okay, other things we could look at right here. I moved it here. Did I move it too quickly? Here are the averages. Here you can see the averages here in Nagoya are much cheaper in Sakae than you'd see here in Shibuya. But it's just the Tokyo population is growing. The popularity of Tokyo is off the hook right now. A unit like this in Tokyo is going to go over $1 million right now. So like this is basically 20% the price, 1/5 the price. The opportunity could be to move away from Tokyo. Southern exposure, Shogyo Chiki. So I don't know if this pertains to anyone, but this is zone commercial. If that's good for your visa, if it means anything for your visa or not, that you need an office. I know that some visas that you need an office space to rent an office space. This could probably double as that. 63 meters, 8-meter balcony. Concrete building, 74 units in the building, built in 1980. No parking, but there is a bicycle space that you could have for 300 yen a month. Shoryuken. The skinny of this one is its great location in a great city. If you've never been to Nagoya, somehow it ends up as this sort of lost city almost in Tokyo, but I've been there many times because I worked in the Japanese wedding business for so many years. So definitely there's great opportunities. My opinion on the Sakae market or the central Nagoya market is that you have to be more qualitative in the stuff that you look at because of the market conditions in that there's just less supply. If I were to take the units that are off, like if I were to take, before we can go end it like this, if I were to take off the top floor units and we'd spread, you'd see here that there is more supply coming into the market right there, but we see sort of blue bands and stuff like that. We see a sort of price, lower, sort of more stuff at lower prices. So it's my prognosis, since there's more supply here at the lower price bands, you have to be more qualitative in terms of your buying if you're going to be strategic in what you do. Anyway, there's some really great deals here in Nagoya. Another video here from the Tokyo Real Estate Man. Don't forget you can follow the Instagram if you want to support the channel in other ways. Again, the Instagram is Tokyo Real Estate Man website. A quick reminder that is my business card right there. Our company's name is Wita. We're based out of Yokohama, but we can work anywhere. The website is the Tokyo Real Estate Man website. You can always give me a straight email or fill in the contact box and send me your info, and we'll start looking for you. Another real estate video here, looking at some properties here in Nagoya from the Tokyo Real Estate Man. いつもこのチャンネル見ている皆様、ありがとうございます。今日の動画もう終わりです。お疲れ様です。よし。